Hello and welcome to this live stream on this computer, which is my server. So I've got 3 computers up in front of me, right? I've got the home server, I've got the laptop that's on the desk over there, and then I've got this computer, which is my dev computer. So on the host, we have booted up the dashboard, and here, let me show you this actually, because it's pretty easy once you have your dependencies. If you go to my GitHub, you'll find a one command acquire run and install, and you can reuse it if you find starting these types of projects where you can't just click on like a shortcut usually. I mean, you can make a shortcut of this command, but anyway, this is it booting up. It asks for UAC admin permission. It checks a couple things, and then the dashboard will come up. And it has the things it's checking is that it patched the DLLs for the client game. Because I don't supply the DLL, it's just a script that modifies the existing DLL so that I'm not distributing any game files. Because you can pull this right now. This works as I'm about to show you. It's reversible and it's pretty good, but there are a few kinks I'm trying to iron out. So if we go onto the laptop and quit HoN, because we'll see it's not connected anymore because I turned off the stack, but the stack is coming up and the public server is almost ready. It just takes a while on this host because it's a slimline computer. It's a very not powerful host. Regardless, that'll pop up. See, it did. So on this one computer, all it's doing is serving the master server and the dedicated slave. On this computer, it's just a client, and so we'll start up the start remote player and we'll point it to the computer that is currently hosting it. And so it will select that as its master server. It'll check to make sure the DLLs are patched, and then it'll do a TCP connection on the chat server to make sure that's all up and good, and then it'll run the client with that configuration. So then on the dev PC, I'm also going to start as a remote player to show you that it's working over LAN. 158, start that up. It does the DLL checks, and then it does the TCP connection check, and then it starts up the client. So your screen may go black for a second there. And so it has a database of players, so I have logged into a test player called player. Here's Boner. That is another player that I've set. And we can even, I believe, join chat servers. Let's join chat server, cool. Let's go to my one and join chat server. You don't have to type chat server, it's just a, you can name it any channel. Currently it's still bouncing back just because when I test the chat server with one client, I want to be able to see if it's going through. But the other client only sees the one message, which is good. Okay, so we're actually running a test right now because there's a little bit of a bug. But I'll show you that a lot of the features here are working. You can select a dedicated slave to host the game on, all pick name it test game, and if we do create game, it does take a little bit of a second, I've noticed, to go through, but we will see that the slave is definitely doing stuff. There it goes. Okay, so this is on the dev PC instance, and then this is the laptop instance, and we'll see that the game comes up now and we can join it. And if we go back to the dev PC, we should see that, yep, Boner's joining. And then you'll probably see a bug that I'm trying to reproduce in a minute here. And the bug is that only the host can see the heroes when selecting. Pretty small bug considering all the other features are working. I just have to reproduce it in this specific way. Okay, player is the host, and boner is the client. See, even the name doesn't perfectly show. So, but that is on. That's always on the host. Or I'm sorry, the client. Let's see. Yep. So, okay. Let's take pictures of this, and then it's annoying because I that whole process we went through, the stack, you know, it takes a minute to boot. So, the game does work. After it gets past that hero select, and it works pretty well too. Actually, very low latency considering it's being hosted on a slimline computer that's not very good. So we'll go ahead and I'll just play around with this right now because GPT is probably gonna have to think for a minute. But so, like, to make this clear, because I know I'm bouncing around a lot. Up here, on-site laptop, this is the laptop on the LAN network, okay? Right? And then home server is another computer on the network that's just running all the back-end stuff for my other servers and for this project. Interesting. Okay. You can end the test. Okay. Good. Because we know what we're trying to fix. But, oh yeah, what I was trying to say is we have 3 computers in play right now. We have the home server that's running the master, chat, and dedicated slave. Okay, and then we have a on-site laptop, which is just a laptop on my desk over there, and that is running a client connected to the home server. And then we have my third computer, and that's the one that I'm in right now, and that one is also connected to the home server. And so we are playing over LAN essentially right now. Let's see. And it's like pretty good performance too. I know it's skippy as hell on this remote connection, but that's just because it's a remote connection. So, I mean, yeah, it runs really well. So, see, even the creep, everything works pretty well. But so we're ending this test now, because that was a test to reproduce an error. But the test shows you that so many of the features are working. So that's what I'm going to be doing for the next while. Okay. play some Spelunky when it's thinking. sacrifice her if I can. Oh yeah, we'll go up there. Two shrines. Hey baby, you wanna go somewhere? Here, this is my bed. Sorry, I haven't changed the sheets in a while. Pew pew, pew pew. Oh my god, that's hilarious. Wow, there you go. That was a decent run. Not really. Alright, they both do that, they do that, they do that. Diagnostic bundle, it should trace the thing. We produce the... I don't need to restart the stack yet. Okay. But see, that's a problem because I guess it's not a big problem. It's fine, I can transfer it through the shared network path rather than update the whole GitHub one-liner that works so far. Just with that one little... That's kind of a problem. Even if you're going to do LAN games, I think that you'd want to do something better than all random. So, yeah, I'm going to have to look into that. Alright, it's probably going to think about that for a while. Money. Ah. I bet she's up there, isn't she? Just to be able to... Oh! Okay, got it. No, but money's up there. So much money this run. Let's see. Let's just drop down to that so I don't take damage. Oh, whoops. Well. Oh, that was a bit of luck right there. Oh, that wasn't. I gotta use another rope on that. Okay. Whoops. Alright. Where is the damsel? Well, almost unacquirable, but I can acquire that, I think. Yep, perfect. Ooh, a gun store. Bombs for me, but bombs only win the game. Yeah, okay. I hate those traps. Sometimes they blend in so well. I don't know that is safe to go over there, so I'm gonna... Aha! Very good that I did that. I think that would have been 4 damage, unfortunately. I kind of want that spider. I think I have enough to go for it. Get them keep on. Okay. I think I'm not gonna. Nope. Sorry. I'm not trying to lose again that early. Ah. Drop this. Yep. Okay. honest. Oh, I do like those spiders. Go ahead and get that spider, silk, or whatever. Sticky bones. It's just too dark for me to explore. Trying to get a long run rather than a. Already got a shitload of money, to be honest. What does that cost? 15 grand. That's a little pricey, in my opinion. Alright, get this thing. Whoop whoop. I'm gonna drop down and buy those bombs. That's what I'm gonna do. Come here, you little thing. Alright, let's go. I haven't seen the key yet. Oh, right as I said that. There it is. So we might still be able to rob the secret shop. I typically rob it because YOLO. It's pretty fun to rob the secret shop. Let's see if we can. Honestly, yeah, I'm gonna be a little cheesy this game and just break through some levels because I would like this to be a longer one. Ah, come on, fucker. Wasting my damn health. Oh my god, look at that. I'm just a classic noob. Why? I did everything you could do to get across that. I went to the... Alright, whatever. Whatever. This is still making the game. Patcher thing, whatever. It's trying to make the debug package. Well, God, I mean, that was a little longer than my last round. Alright, I'm gonna step away for a second. Let this thing develop. let's see if I can do a little better at Spelunky while it's still thinking. It's okay, she can take it. Damaged the stupidest way possible. Voluntarily. Oh, is there anything that I can throw other than a bomb? Damn it. Alright, well, don't miss. Oh, I'm glad the shopkeeper didn't get mad that part of his shop is gone. Let's play. Come on, give me the boots. Get the friggin' ghost spawned on me. Hey, we get the boots. Can I play? Nope, out of money. Well, actually, tell you what. I still can play. Honestly though, I don't really care about the sticky bombs because they're so easy to acquire normally. Not really trying to risk it with the ghost coming. Oh my goodness. I'm really terrible when I try to go fast. Thought this before. Come here. Hold on, I'm gonna cut. Because honestly, I want this key. How much do these cost? Yeah. Oh, I forgot I had double jump. Oh my god. Okay, it looks like the diagnostic build is created. So we are going to get that ready on the host. It's not done copying, it's pretty close, I think. There we go. We need to run the delivery diagnostic.bat. Let's go for date modify. Okay, let's see. There it is. It's going to make sure our firewall ports are open if it's behaving properly. Access denied. I think I can fix that. Beautiful. The stack should start up now. Yes, yes it is. I think it's enough that we can, oh yeah, we can definitely join that now. Okay, we're going to start the remote player on the laptop sitting over there. Enter in the IP address of the hosting computer. It's going to check the DLLs, it's going to check the TCP handshake. Those are just kind of still in there, I think, because for testing. Like, it's really good to have more info rather than less in these projects. So all of these different windows and services can create diagnostic files, kind of, you know, so that GPT can go in and then say, okay, while you were testing this here, if it's where it responded elsewhere, whatever, let's go ahead and start the game on my client, on my dev computer. So we've got 3 computers in the loop. And so we are testing, we're following some steps from ChatGPT. We are going to join it, start the game and it's broken, leave it open, and then get the session zip. Okay, pretty easy. So yeah, the diagnostic build pretty much means that it's, I guess, adding a whole bunch of debugging lines. And alright, I think we got this booted up on both here and there. So we are going to just host a game. Oh, that's interesting. Where'd the server button go? That is... Oh, wait. I'm an idiot. God, I've been doing this too long. Select the server. Oh, boy. I hope that's working. Why isn't that letting me select the server? Let's try... Haha. Okay. Oh, well, maybe I should have checked the... No, the slave is broken. Alright, well, that is a debug. The test... Well, let's try it twice, just to make sure that wasn't a fluke. All we have to do is log out on this one and the other one. We don't have to restart everything. But let's go ahead and restart. Whoops, we don't start the stack that way. That's right. Nope. We need to do it in the elevated one. Alright, we should be able to log in now. Okay, let's wait for this thing to be totally ready before I select it. Maybe I didn't wait long enough and I broke something myself, because I forgot how slow this host takes to, how slow it is when it's booting this dedicated slave up. So yeah, maybe I didn't wait long enough, because this does take a long time. Okay, public server's ready. Startup health check. Should pass. Oh, it failed. Interesting. Well, let's also test if the match shows. So it shows up, I select the server, and it breaks. That is repeatable behavior. The test breaks when you try to select the server. Also, the health check failed. Response from server, and it's broken. See, that's why we save our milestones. Let's go ahead and let that cook for a bit. How long have we been going? 57 minutes. So, I think we've shown enough tonight. The current state of the reverse engineering project, and then just more of how I get AI to get us there. It is AI doing a lot of the work, pretty much all of it. I just have to figure out what parts it's doing wrong and then get it to fix it. And then, you know, clean it up and then compile the features together. And I don't know what I'm doing. But I took a video of it so that I can refer to it if I ever needed to. I mean, but it's pretty much just do the work, ask it how the work would do, but how does it run how is it please stop the run. I'm replacing it with a no native patch diagnostic that restores the exact working DLL first. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. So no free ports, it's unresponsive, the server goes down. Okay, well, close all this. Log out of that one. That's funny, it like changes the color of the terminal. Not sure why, because we're not in that. We're not in that anymore. So, yep. Gotta wait for the next diagnostic build. That's hopefully not broken. Like the hour mark. Yep. So for now, I'm just going to turn off the stream, and I hope you have a good one.